In this section, we will talk about the Mendel's law of independent assortment. So, as we have discussed that, there are two Mendel's law of inheritance. We have discussed the Mendel's law of segregation. Now, in this section, we are going to discuss Mendel's law of independent assortment. In the next crosses, Mendel studied two contrasting traits at a time. Such crosses are called dihybrid crosses. He performed experiments on two seed traits, which are seed shape. Seed shape can be round or wrinkled, and seed color, which can be green or yellow. The trait of round seeds, controlled by allele with capital R, was dominant. Over wrinkled seeds, controlled by allele with small r, which is recessive. Similarly, yellow seed color, controlled by allele with capital Y, was dominant. Over green, controlled by allele with small y, which is recessive. True breeding plant that had round yellow seeds with two capital R's and two capital Y's, and true breeding plant having wrinkled green seeds with two small r's and two small y's. Now, moving forward, the parental generation is denoted as P1 generation. Gametes will be generated. The offspring of P1 generation are F1 generation, called as first filial. Mendel crossed a true breeding plant that had round yellow seeds with a true breeding plant having wrinkled green seeds. Round yellow seed will generate gametes with capital R and capital Y, while wrinkled green seeds will generate gametes with small r and small y. All seeds in F1 generation were round yellow. The cross in F1 generation produces F2 generation, called as second filial. F1 generation were round yellow. It is crossed with another F1 generation. 4 types of gametes will be generated. One with capital R and capital Y. One with capital R and small y. One with small r and capital Y. And one with small r and small y. Other F1 generation will also produce 4 types of gametes. One with capital R and capital Y. One with capital R and small y. One with small r and capital Y. And one with small r and small y. Now let's understand the genotype and phenotype of F2 generation. Using a Punnett square, on one side, gametes of F1 generation are arranged, and on other side gametes of other F1 generation are arranged. Round yellow seed, 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 round green seed, round yellow seed, round green seed, round yellow seed, round yellow seed, wrinkled yellow seed, wrinkled yellow seed, round yellow seed, round green seed, wrinkled yellow seed, and wrinkled green seed. When F1 seeds grew into plants, they were self-fertilized. This cross produced seeds with 4 phenotypes: round yellow seeds, round green seeds, wrinkled yellow seeds, and wrinkled green seeds. There were 315 round yellow seeds, 108 round green seeds, and 101 wrinkled yellow seeds, and 32 wrinkled green seeds. The ratio of these phenotypes was 9:3:3:1. Mendel explained that the two traits, which are seed shape and seed color are not tied with each other. The segregation of capital R and small r alleles happens independently of the segregation of capital Y and small y alleles. From his second experiment, Mendel concluded that different traits are inherited independently of one another. This principle is known as the law of independent assortment. It states as, the alleles of a gene pair segregate, get separated, and distributed to gametes independently from the alleles of other gene pairs. Moving forward, red hair occur naturally only in individuals with small r is a recessive allele. Non-red, with the symbol capital R, is dominant. All red-haired people are therefore small r and small r, while non-red are either capital R and capital R or capital R and small r. So mother with red hair and attached earlobes, and father with non-red hair and free earlobes. Now let's understand. Mating of a double heterozygote with a recessive homozygote. Consider the mating between an individual with red hair and attached earlobes, and a partner who is heterozygous at both genetic loci. The recessive homozygote can produce only one kind of gamete of genotype small r and small f. But the double heterozygote can produce gametes of 4 genotypes, which are capital R and capital F, capital R and small f, small r and capital F, and small r and small f. Offspring of these 4 genotypes are produced. These offspring also have phenotypes that are all different. Non-red with free earlobes, non-red with attached, red with free, and red with attached, respectively. So, this was all. In our next section, Dr. Maria will help us to understand the deviations from Mendel's law.
Have you ever heard of video books? sqadia.com is delighted to present video books, medical books, that have been tailored into a series of videos. sqadia.com videos are presented in the same order as the book's chapters. Explore now and make your learning easy.